Picture this, it's late, you're tired, and you're hungry, and you want an easy snack. Easy, microwave popcorn. But let's not just use a bag from the store that's full of chemicals and stuff you don't want. Let's use some clean specialty popcorn from Dell Cove spices and more. All you'll need is this cute little bowl that we do sell in our store called the Popper. When it comes to product design, I am all about the little things. So if you don't carry a tablespoon on you at all times, they have this little inner bowl right here, and you just want to fill the kernels up to the brim of that, basically. We're going to be using Dell Cove's rainbow popcorn today. This amount of kernels will fill this bowl up pretty well. You will no longer be starving. You might still be tired, but you won't be starving. At this point, you can add any oil or butter you want. It's not needed, but keep this in mind. If you are wanting to add any salt or seasoning afterwards, the oil and butter will help the seasonings and salt stick to the popcorn. Now we are going to place this lid on top of the popper. Now it can be tricky. So we're gonna start from the back and kind of push it down on the sides and work our way forward. Did I do it? Oh my God, I did it. No, I didn't. Okay, I did it. You can do it too. It will go on there, trust me, just be patient, believe in yourself. Before we toss this in the microwave, a quick tip. Every microwave is different. Test it out a few times, give it a few goes so you don't burn your first batch of popcorn. Don't select the popcorn preset button and walk away. You want to start at 2 minutes and then add 30 seconds. Once you go 5 seconds in between pops, your popcorn is good to go. So we're gonna toss this in for 2 minutes. It will be hot, so either use oven mitts or towels. We don't want burnt fingies. Let's take this out of here. Release this down without, popping the lid off. Is preferred method of doing so. It quite literally can't get any easier than that. Good quality popcorn, exactly how you want it in minutes. The popper is dishwasher safe, so there's little to no cleanup. You can use the same bowl you popped it in. Little to no cleanup, I'm telling you. As always, like and follow us for more popcorn tips, tricks, and recipes. Cheers.